Trabant City Tour. Explore Budapest in a Trabant. Enjoy the authentic Trabant City Tour with our professional driver guides. There's no better way to see Budapest than with an original Trabant 601. With this unique tour in Budapest, you can combine an unsurpassed driving feeling and a nostalgic sightseeing with the real atmosphere of the past communist era. We suggest visiting the Communist Statue Park, the Etchery Flea Market, typical prefabricated blocks of flats built in the 70s, 80s, or simply doing a regular city tour in Budapest. You can even book your airport transfer with a Trabant. How to drive a Trabant? Check with the fuel dipstick whether the tank is empty or not. Open the fuel tap, push the clutch pedal, shift to gear 1 and start. Remember to bring your driving license with you if you want to try the paper Jaguar.